Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. You've made a fantastic choice picking up an Amazon Fire TV stick. Get ready to unlock a world of entertainment right on your TV. I'm guessing you've got that sleek little stick in your hands and you're itching to plug it in and get started, right? Awesome, because in this video we're going to walk through the absolute easiest way to get your Fire TV stick up and running in no time. Alright, let's get this Fire Stick party started. To set things up, you'll need a TV with an available HDMI port and of course a Wi-Fi connection in your home. Inside your Fire TV stick box, you'll find the star of the show, the Fire TV stick itself, along with its remote control and two AAA batteries for the remote. You'll also have an HDMI extender, some helpful documentation, a wall plug, and the all-important power cable. First things first, grab the power cable and connect one end to the Fire TV stick and the other end to the USB power adapter. Next up, plug your Fire TV stick directly into an available HDMI port on the back of your TV. If your HDMI ports are in a tricky spot or you need a little more flexibility, feel free to use the included HDMI extender. Just plug the Fire TV stick into one end and the other end into your TV's HDMI port. Now connect the USB power adapter to a nearby power outlet. Here's a handy tip. If your TV has a spare 5-volt USB port, you can actually power your Fire Stick directly from the TV's USB port instead of using the wall adapter. This can keep things a bit tidier. However, for optimal performance, especially with power-hungry apps, using the provided power adapter is generally recommended. Okay, now power on your TV and make sure you've selected the correct input source, the HDMI port where you plugged in your Fire TV stick. Time to bring the remote to life. Pop those two AAA batteries into the back of your Fire TV stick remote. Don't forget to make sure they're inserted the right way round. Before we jump into the setup process, it's a good idea to quickly familiarise yourself with the buttons on your remote. You'll use the directional circle to navigate up, down, left and right on the screen. The select button is right in the middle of that circle. The home button, shaped like a little house, will take you back to the home screen from anywhere. The button with 3 horizontal lines is your menu button, which opens up additional options and settings within apps. The back button will take you to the previous screen, and of course all Fire TV stick remotes come with Alexa built in. Just hold down the microphone button and give a voice command or ask a question. What's the weather going to be like today in London?
Currently, in London, England, it's 20 degrees Celsius with mostly cloudy skies.
The play, pause, fast forward and rewind buttons are pretty self-explanatory and are used to control your video playback. Alright, with everything plugged in and the remote ready, your Fire TV stick will automatically start searching for the remote. When prompted on the screen, press and hold the home button on your remote for a few seconds to pair it with your Fire TV stick. Once the remote is recognised, you'll likely see a prompt to press the play pause button to continue. Go ahead and do that. The next step is to choose your preferred language. Use the directional buttons on your remote to highlight your language and then press the select button to confirm. Now, if you're tech savvy and want to speed things up, you might see an option to scan a QR code using your phone or tablet. This can automatically add your Wi-Fi settings and Amazon account details, making the process faster. However, if you prefer the traditional method, just continue using your remote control. Let's stick with the traditional way for this tutorial. Next, your Fire TV stick will scan for available Wi-Fi networks. Your home Wi-Fi should appear on the screen. Use the directional buttons to select your network, then use the on-screen keyboard to enter your Wi-Fi password. Once you've entered it, select Connect and allow your Fire TV stick to join your network. With your Wi-Fi connected, your Fire TV stick will now go online to check for any available software updates. It will then automatically download and install them. This process might take several minutes and your Fire TV stick might restart a few times during the update. Just let it do its thing. Once the updates are complete, it's time to sign in with your Amazon account. Again, you'll likely see the option to scan a QR code or visit amazon.co.uk/code or your local Amazon website on your phone, tablet or computer. If you choose the web browser method, you'll need to enter the unique code displayed on your Fire TV screen and click Continue to register your Fire TV stick to your Amazon account. Once successfully registered, select Continue. Next, take a moment to set your Amazon cookie preferences. Afterwards, you'll have the option to sync your Fire TV stick remote with your TV. Now, this handy feature allows you to control your TV's volume, mute function and power on and off using just your Firestick remote. Follow the on-screen instructions and answer any questions to ensure your remote is paired correctly with your TV. Depending on your location, you might be offered deals or free trials for services like Amazon Kids. Take a moment to review these and select your options to continue. Next, you'll be asked if you want to select any popular apps to install. The apps offered will vary based on your region and availability. Choose the apps you're interested in and then select Continue and Finish to confirm your selections. Next, you have the option to choose your screensaver. You can choose to select your own personal photos or use Amazon's stock photos. Make your selection. Finally, you'll be asked one last question regarding parental controls. You can choose to enable them or not. If you decide to enable parental controls, you'll also have the option to set up child profiles later. Make your decision and select Continue. Congratulations, you've made it! You'll now be whisked away to the Amazon Fire TV home screen. Go ahead and start exploring. There are so many exciting ways to stream content on your Fire TV stick, you'll wonder how you ever managed without one. And that's all there is to it. You're now officially a Fire TV streaming pro. Remember, you can find even more helpful tutorials for your Fire Stick, Fire Cube and Fire TV right here on my YouTube channel and on my website at FireTVSticks.com.